The one thing that stood out in working with Liz was that Liz worked with us. She didn't let us go on our own. She followed us step by step and guided us and really explained the process very nicely. We weren't easy clients. It took us 3 months to finally come to a settling in an apartment, and she didn't complain. She was those 3 months along with us, and I thank her for that.
Me too. This is why I was explaining before, her patience. His patience for me is like a piece of diamond, and we are so grateful for that. She's so special.